That's one failure point. We don't have a vehicle yet. We gained 774 subscribers, 391,055 views came from 2025. That's insane. That is insane. That's super crazy. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It is 2026 now, and this is just gonna be a little recap of everything that happened in 2025. First, let's go over the vision board. Somewhat failed. Pretty bad. So here we have it. Up in this top corner was student loans. So actually, that was one amazing accomplishment that my wife and I did. Paid off $19,000 in student loans last year. Working towards the cars, obviously end goal, not end goal, but like ultimate dream car goal. But really thinking about getting the Mustang GT, whether it's the GT California Special, just because of the interior is a little different. I think it would be cool. So I thought about the Bullet Mustang. I don't know about that. The only other car would be the GR86, but however, the only thing I would do for that would be like supporting mods, wheels, suspension, and then get rid of it to get a Mustang, because eventually end goal for the Mustang would be full bolt-on and then with a ESS supercharger. And then from there, moving on to a Toyota Supra. Love the Supra. I think it's super sick and already comes boosted with the turbo, so there's a positive there. That's one failure point. We don't have a vehicle yet. Other failure point would be the merch. I plan on having a website where I could sell some merch. So first off, it's going to be the key tag I created. And I'm not going to show you it yet. This is the key tag. I have a story behind that, and then also the stickers, the 4Bangin'. Pretty cheap, quick pickup slap sticker just to get kind of supporting the channel and everything. So with that being said, this year I plan on having a website up and running to sell merch to you guys, so that way you can also show support and love for the channel that way, and not just watching the video, maybe commenting and liking it. My goodness, that pimple is gigantic. Holy crap. Anyway, whatever. It is what it is, you know. That is what I have planned. Getting that vehicle finally this year. Leaning towards the Mustang because I've always wanted one, and I don't know, it's something that I feel like I would love more than the GR86. That would just be a stepping stone, so I feel like that would just be prolonging what I really, really want. Getting that website up and going, that way you guys can help support the channel even more, because right now YouTube just ain't cutting it. So we can hop over to the failure points of YouTube now from last year. Failure points, but not a failure point. At the end of the year, I wanted to hit 2,000 subscribers. Right now we're at 1,883. I think we were just shy of 1,880. 2025 recap. Got some notes. We made 21 extended long videos like this one here, and also 101 shorts. Very crazy. Very low on the regular videos because I was kind of running out of content to make with the car. But a lot of shorts, which helped out a lot on the channel. Whether you liked it or not, I'm sorry, but it did help the channel tremendously. We gained 774 subscribers. Very crazy compared to the 2024. I want to say, let me see how many. So as you can see right there, I hope it shows pretty well. 149% from the previous year of 2024. That is insane. I can't thank you guys enough for supporting, hitting that subscribe button. That is huge. So that being said, my goal for this year, basically almost at 2,000 subscribers right now. I want to be at 5,000 by the end of the year. I mean, that's gaining, what? That's over doubling what we're at now. So way over doubling what we're at now, which I think is more than doable. And I just like this kind of video because it shows the growth that we've gone through over the year in 2025 and with the channel and everything with you guys. Another crazy thing, 3,411 watch hours. So that's still not enough to make money, to start getting paid. You start getting paid at 4,000 watch hours. But right now, it's a lot less than that. So I don't know how YouTube collects that information, because when I go on my analytics app, it shows I'm only at 1,497 watch hours. And technically once I get to 3,000, then I can have memberships, supers, and shopping added onto my account. But once I get to 4,000, that's when I start getting paid for having ads on there, and short video ads, I'll start getting paid. So really at 4,000 watch hours, that's when I start making money. So I'm somewhat far off from there. So that'll be another goal for this year, is to get enough watch hours for YouTube to start paying me for the ad revenue. But until then, that's why I want to have the website up and running, so that way we can have little KeyJet tags, stickers, maybe a shirt here or there, just depending on how they do and what you guys like, to help support the channel and get a new vehicle and help grow content, kind of a thing. Moving on from watch hours, what's insane is the amount of views that this channel has acquired from lifetime of having this channel to just last year. So all-time lifetime views, 671,589. That's a lot, somewhat. I mean, for doing this for a few years now, probably 5 years now, maybe 6, I think it is. Not too crazy, but just in 2025 alone, we've done more than half of that. So like more than half of our views came from 2025 alone. 391,055 views came from 2025. That's insane. That is insane. That's super crazy. So I really appreciate you guys all tuning into the channel, subscribing, liking, even commenting. I think there was like 600 comments over all of 2025, which is super crazy. Means a lot. That's another reason why I do it, because there's a lot of people that were helpful and told me things I should be doing or could change. And a lot of people that even said like, hey man, this channel's really helped me this year, or with you creating this focus content really makes me want to get one, or I miss mine, stuff like that. It means a lot. So that's another reason why I really like doing YouTube. Whether I'm making money, that's a perk and a positive. It'd be nice, so that way that could help fund the hobby, but it doesn't mean everything. All right, so I hope you guys did like this type of video. I'm gonna have some little clips thrown in here or there of stuff that we did last year, video-wise. And if you could, please like, comment, subscribe. This year, I plan to make it a crazy year, especially with purchasing a new vehicle for the channel. And I actually have to go. I did get a new job that'll hopefully help purchase or pay for another vehicle for the channel. So there's that also. So I gotta go pee in a cup. So I will be updating this board. You'll see that in the next video, along with a whole recap of everything that has been done and completed to the Focus, from this video here that you'll see, which was, I think, created now 2 years ago, versus now, because that was 2 years ago of my goal for the Focus, and now it's finished. It's done where I want it, and it's time to move on and get something different. So do I sell it and get something different? Or do I keep it, use it as my daily, and then get something, and obviously still get something different? If I sell it, then I can use that money to buy more parts for the new vehicle and have that move quicker. So I don't know. That's where it's like, this car hasn't really grown the channel crazy where it's gained like 25,000 subscribers. I mean, we've gained almost 2,000 subscribers with the Focus. I think that car that really puts me on the map of YouTube, that's the one that I would keep forever, just because of that sentimental value. So let me know what you guys think. Please hit that comment, like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Right down by the alternator right there, it looks like there's coolant there. Went to Ford, bought the part. It's like 67 bucks. So we're gonna try and get into it. Did you guess? The GR86/Subaru BRZ. But we're looking at the new, not new, but Mustang GTs. Let me know if I'm crazy. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So as you can tell by the title of this video, I'm taking my wife's Bronco, as you can see I'm in right now, to CarMax to fake sell it and also just see what it's worth.
33.
Yeah, that's it. $33,000.
That's not worth it.
I know. I was kidding. I was just trying to get your reaction. Now we just gotta beat it.
I know.
Just drive it and beat the crap out of it, huh?
You gotta be good. I could cry.
So as you can see right here, I have the P0420, that medium-sized inlet tube with that little ring thing. It's like a 15-minute drive to the gym, and I'm already like halfway heading back home. And as we can see, there is no check engine light now, so I believe the defouler actually has worked, or is working. We're cooked, boys, we're cooked. Catless downpipe. That was quiet. Oh, golly. Gosh, dude, it's so insane. This thing's a blast, dude. We're gonna be reviewing the Pulsar 4849G. Put in a new rear sway bar and links, as you can see right here in this box. I still haven't opened them yet. A rear end sway bar and end links. I probably should upgrade the front sway bar too, but oh, it feels so much better. My top mount broke, and that looks to be more sturdy. It's all one solid piece, besides, actually, not really, they welded this piece together. So once you understand and you're not ignorant and stupid about how to properly install coilovers and put the proper amount of preload on the springs, it feels amazing. So it's time for Christmas. For those of you that remember this car like this, hit that like button, comment, subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one.